Hi guys, welcome back to the Bucket List Stories, another edition of Lunches and Treats. So today I am sharing with you a very quick and easy recipe of chicken paratha roll. First I marinated chicken with yogurt and some spices from my kitchen. Not any store-bought, I use the fresh ground red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, some cumin seeds powder, and then lemon, and mixed it well. Add some oil, ginger garlic paste, and put it. Now the dough for the parathas. It's very easy and simple. Just add some salt in the all-purpose flour, few tablespoons of oil, then mix well. Add water and knead a soft dough. The dough should be firm. While the dough was resting, I cooked the chicken. In a hot pan, add the chicken and cooked it on a very high flame so all the juices will lock in the chicken and it will not get dry. When all the water of the chicken will absorb, we will cook it on a medium flame for a few minutes. And on this stage, our chicken is done. Now we will make parathas, and there is no hard and fast rule for making parathas. You can make the way you like. We will cook the paratha as usual. Paratha is done, so we will add the fillings. This is a spicy mayonnaise. I add some chili paste in the regular mayonnaise to make it more spicy. We'll add the cooked chicken, some onions. The filling should be on your choice. This is the coriander and chili spicy chutney, lettuce and tomatoes. That's it. This other paratha is for my son, which is not with the grilled chicken but with the zinger chicken. I add some peri peri sauce, zinger chicken, cheese, lettuce, and that's it. I hope you like this recipe. Please share it with your friends and enjoy. Thanks for watching.